Brr.
Hi. Oh, I'm Emily. I'm Emily. And that's my dog. Move over there. Hi, Beryl.
What's up, dog?
Okay. Guess what? This is me and Melody's favorite song. If you can hear it.
Yo, tell me what I want, what I really, really want. Don't tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
Yeah. You know what song it is?
Fast girls.
Wanna be! If you wanna be my lover, you gotta go with my friends. Yeah. It doesn't even make sense!
It's about sex. It's about that.
Foxtrot. Uniform. Charlie.
Kilo.
You get it? If you can spell. Oh! There's a dog in my butt.
Anyway,
Okay. Okay, this one's definitely going under my space.
this one's definitely
Message,
me.
comment,
Melody.
or picture comments.
Or Emily.
And do Melody.
Because we're
Or
sexy.
do Melody.
Let's not say we didn't.
Okay, so we're gonna go now. Bye!